Good morning and welcome to another video. Well, I can't quite believe it. It's just gone 5:30 and I'm out with the camera. It's 5:30 a.m. Yeah, mad, I know. I just thought that I've been waking up quite early the past few mornings, and I just thought that I'd get out and hopefully get some images of the sun rising over the horizon. And as you've probably guessed, I'm back down at Riverside Country Park in Gillingham. I'm giving my Canon 40D another outing. I've actually bought a tripod today, so I'm going to be slowing things down a little bit, taking a bit of time, and hopefully getting some nice shots. So fingers crossed. I'm hoping it goes well. Let's see how we go on. So this is the first scene that greeted me. The sun's a little bit higher in the sky just now. I've taken a couple of shots, and yeah, it's a bit chilly down here by the water, but the camera's on the tripod. I'm just using the what have I got on there, 28 to 105 at the moment, and shooting at f11. Really beautiful. It's very cold, but it's beautiful. So I'm hoping we're going to get some good shots this morning. Well, it's a bit disappointing. The sun is still behind that cloud. The cloud has thickened. There's very little wind, so I can't see it moving quickly. Yeah, so the shot I was hoping for didn't happen. I'm just going to have a wander along and see what else we can find once we're here at the riverside. And pretty much enjoy the place to myself. I've seen probably 3 people in the last half an hour or so, 40 minutes. So I'm just going to enjoy the peace and tranquility and see what other shots I can come up with. Right, I've just gone back to the car and ditched the tripod. It's still so very cold. The thing I didn't bring with me was some warm gloves, and carrying around that cold tripod is not the best of things. But on the plus side, I've heard my first cuckoo this morning, and it's what, the 28th of April? I don't know whether that's early or not. I think it's probably a bit early, but yeah, heard my first cuckoo. I haven't seen one of these for a long time. I saw a bullfinch as well this morning. So that in itself has made it worth coming out so early. I've now obviously got rid of the tripod. I've got my my old 1 to 300mm lens on. I thought I'm just going to have a quick walk down to where the parakeet normally is seen flying about, and see if I can just get a few bird shots, and then probably head home for a nice cup of hot coffee. Yes, still really peaceful, still really cold, and haven't seen many people at all. I think the first couple of shots I got this morning were probably my best so far. The cloud covered up the sun, and it still hasn't come back out fully. It's sort of trying to emerge from behind the cloud. It's supposed to be quite nice a bit later on, but at the moment I thought we'd just have a little walk down here and get a few shots before I head home for a coffee. So I'm going to do that now and see what I can find. Guys, thanks for joining me. I'm going to call it a day now. That cup of coffee is definitely cooling. I'm going to head off home. Thanks ever so much. I will see you in the next one. All the best. Bye now.